the question asked in the question? What is asked? So which of the following is correct? R is used husband. R is used husband. No. Supreme Court will get another case. R is yes wife. That is definitely true. Next question. Yes is unmarried. No. None of the above. No. So B is the answer. Understood everybody? Getting thoroughly? Question number 5. Anybody doubt? You have doubt. Why you are facing doubt in 5? We solved this question in the class. I will solve. I told you, whenever you are going to attempt the class assignment, whenever attempting UPSC question, your first duty is revise the class PDF. Without that, don't do like that. Coming Sunday is your test. What time? 9:30 to late comers not allowed. 11:30 means 5 minutes before you have to surrender it. 11:25. Are you understand this bar? I told you how to approach it. How to approach it? You have divided into how many half an hour? 4 hours. You make the alarm. That has to be audible to you only. Don't make it louder alarm. Understand this bar? Understand this? If you make like that, after 1 month or 2 months, you don't need the alarm. Your subconscious mind will say around approximately 130 minutes over like that. Are you understand? Not understand this bar? So first 5 minutes, what do you have to do in that half an hour? Quickly skim the question. What purpose you have to skim? Which question not attempt? Then which question you can able to attempt? How many questions you have to skim it? I told you in half an hour. That 20 first 20 questions. You understand this? If you are unable to attempt any single question, don't feel upset. Then next 20 questions. Are you understand? Your question sometimes your type of question, whatever you expecting easy. It may be in the beginning, or it may be in the end also, or it may be in the between also. Understand this bar? I don't need your mark. I told you repeatedly. You are writing the test to learn what type of mistake you will do. And don't write the test in paper. That means solving. Keep the register. Separate for a tester. Register means paper wise also you can keep it. Question number 1, you are attempting one, so now attempted that. So next day, you after reaching home, you will again you can go through that because 80 questions you are unable to attempt. After reaching the home, you will solve the remaining questions because next week will be discussion, Monday will be. That time you know how you tried. Whenever you doubt, show me, right? This where. Otherwise, they don't. Next day, whenever they are asking, sir, I forgot how I tried. Are you student not understand? So bring your for textbooks alone. Understand this bar? I'm saying in 4 or okay. For 5. Boss asking 5. Which year? 2019. Anji, please.
Voice breaking, sir.
Voice breaking. Okay, I will take care. Yes, boss. Are you ready? Ready? So now read. How many member? Who are those? 1 minute, 1 minute. What I will do? You go through that PDF. This is second question we solved in the class PDF. You go through today and ask me tomorrow in the outside. Understand this, boss? Then I have to find out what is the problem. Question number 6. Question number 6. Anybody doubt? Arey, why you are facing doubt? I will tell you. Are you ready now? All are ready? Read anybody? Which year? Question number 6. 2018. Read anybody? Lakshmi, brother, her brother. So Lakshmi is the female. Brother is male. Then daughter, you know. Then how many people? Further read. Double. This is very, very important. Game of double. That means net each side how many people? 2. Double is given. Mixed double is given. Double is given. That means in the same side, both are male possible or both are female possible. Understood or not understand? All are understood what I am saying? Listen now carefully. So this is the net. Two people. Who are those two people? We don't know. Are you understand this, boss? I will tell. I'm drawing more diagram. Why I will tell you. Ready? Read. What does it mean? If brother is here, daughter cannot be here. Daughter cannot be here. Why? This is not across. This is a diagonally across. This is called across. So daughter must be there. Are you understood? Are you understand this, boss? Are you understand up to here? So brother, Lakshmi's brother is there. Daughter is here. Here also. Answer will be same. Are you understand this? Up to here, anybody doubt? Now, who are remaining people? So either Lakshmi here, Lakshmi's son here possible, or son here, Lakshmi here possible. Are you understood or not? This is only possible. Any other possible? No. Understand this. Further read. Oh, stop. Is diagonally across. This is diagonally across. Don't read further step. Sun is diagonally across. Understand this first? Listen my language. This person is my friend brother. Who is this person? He is my friend. He is not my friend. Understand? Who is my friend? This person brother. Are you understand this? Now, boss is he is my topper's brother. Who is this person? He is my brother. Who is this person? He is a topper. Answer my question. He is a topper. No, who is topper? Are you understand? Now read the statement. Sun is diagonally across from whom? Worst place. That means this person is who is that person? Worst player sibling. So is this person is whom? Worst player sibling. So is this person is worst player? Topper's brother. Is he topper? No. Who is topper? His brother. He is a worst player. No. Who is the worst player? This person's sibling. Who is this person's sibling? This is a brother. Who is this person's sibling? Lakshmi is the worst. You understood or not understood what I am saying? All are understood, online people? Was understand? Understand this? Come to here. So he is diagonally across this person. But who is this person? This person is worst player sibling. So is this person worst player? No. Who is worst player? Sibling of this person. Who is sibling of this person? Daughter is there. So who is the sibling of this daughter? Daughter. Expect son. So son is the worst player. Are you understood? Not understood this boss. Anybody? 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 Are you understand the language what I am saying? Understand this boss. Then for same side of that. Worst player is this side. So this side must be best player. So who is the other person? Brother is the best player. Come to here. This is the worst player. So best player must be in this side. Who is the other person? Brother. Brother is the best player. In both the cases, the best player. That is the answer. But if the why the question not ask first player? Means two answer. Either Lakshmi is the worst player or Lakshmi's son is the worst player. If you need one answer, cannot be determined is the answer. Understood or not understand this? What is asked in the question? Well, who is the best player? Are you understood or not understand? You understand what I said? Understand? Understand? Understood this, boss? Understand this? Understand? Online? Done. Question number 7. Anybody doubt? That is very easy. Dirty people. All are done. Very nice. Question number 8. Any doubt? Anji? Anybody doubt? Don't hesitate to ask her. 8. If you have doubt, then you watch that explanation also. Yes, sir. Doubt? No. Backside. Question number 9. Anybody doubt? Oh, that is very easy question. Question number 10. Anybody doubt? No. Question number 11. Anybody doubt? No. Somebody now only reading question. Danger people. Yes, now only reading out. Tell me, what is the problem? I think these all are same question. Acha, why we are facing problem? Please repeat. I'm again and again saying last year, last session, last my CS class. So students not doing the homework, they will made solve every question homework. Test, they will made me to solve every question. Because of that, in the end, I have delayed to finish it, and the students saying in the end, sir, when you will finish it, because they are not realized that they made me to reduce the speed. So please note down everything and please solve every question. Don't make me to utter. Why? If it comes to big topic like PNC number system, in PNC itself, in class itself, 300 to 400 question class itself teaching. In number system, 500 minimum question we will teach. You imagine at the time how much doubt we have to spend the time. In average, speed, time and distance, it will take considerable time. Understand? So we cannot spend this much time in this like topics like this. Every question has to attempt. Don't try to later on. I am unable to teach the way I will teach because students pressurizing me, sir, finish it, finish it. Every question has to attempt. I has to try. Genuinely doubt, I will be there. You understand this one? Please take it seriously. In the end, very difficult for me. Because whoever saying, sir, you are God, you are like that. The same people will say in the end, sir, how many more class? For they only decrease the speed, but they only will blame me. So please concentrate. Question number 11. What's the read question number 11 first? How are those people? RS. Then one doctor. One artist. Okay, then P and S are not only student, they are whom? They are unmarried. They are student. P and S is student. So P and S cannot be a doctor, cannot be a lawyer, cannot be a artist. Then who are doctor, lawyer, and artist? Other than P and S. Who is other than P and S? So Q, R, T. So doctor, lawyer, artist must be either Q, R, and T. Understand this? Further, T is a man. Okay, then to one of men. Are you understand? So this person cannot be P. Why? They are unmarried. Then who is remaining other than P and S, Q or T? But already T is one of the partner. So T cannot marry T. So T has to marry other than T. Who is other than T? So either T marry Q or T marry R. Are you understood up to here? Further read. Q is the brother. So what is gender of Q? Male. Q is male. Already T is a male. So T cannot marry another male. So T has to marry whom only? Are you understanding? And now tell me, Q is the brother of whom? So Q is the brother of P. Understand? Because why I'm writing separately? How Q is related to these two people, we don't know. So write separately. Q is the brother of P. Then who? Can you read again? Q is the brother of P and means whom? You understood what I am saying? Is it question says like that? Q is brother of P. I told you and or is given that is related to previous statement subject. Who is the subject? Q is neither doctor nor artist. That means other than doctor and artist, then what is remaining? Understand this? Further read. Now you know lawyer is over. R is not a doctor means. Then who is R? Artist over. Then who is left out? Doctor. So T must be doctor. And P and S are unmarried. Now what is asked in the question? Who is artist? Understand? How you analyzing? That is why I'm repeatedly saying You people are reading GS or newspaper, but how do you understand? Teacher not asking. That means whatever you read, you assumed it is correct. If you are not able to comprehend the passage or not able to infer what is given in the question, you have to improve a lot. What you have to do? You have to reduce the speed while reading the passages. Understand this bar? That means your eyes read, your mind not read. Understand this bar? Read again. It will improve. Are you understand this bar? Question number 12. Anybody doubt? 12? 12? 12? Same pattern as these questions. Then question number 13. Anybody doubt? Question number 14. Why doubt? Tell me what is the problem you faced? I understand. So read the way you read. You listen. Everybody listen properly. Yes. 4%. A, B, C, D. Then two married couple. That means how many members over? How many male over? How many female over? Next. Listen carefully. So they are couples. I apologize. So one couple, another couple. I understand this. Now read the statement again. Both the women are not others' husband, their husband. That means husband is elder than the wife. Sorry, husband is. That means who is shorter? Wife or shorter. But how many wives are there? Among the two, who is the shorter so far? Who is taller? Tallest? Wife possible? No. Who is the tallest possible? Husband only possible in this exam. Are you understood? Understand? All are understood and not understood. After the question says wife are shorter than their respective husband. That means among this couple, who is the tallest? Husband. Who is the shortest? Among this, who is the tallest? Who is the shortest? Are you understand this, boss? Understand this, boss? Are you understand? Now tell me, among the four people, tallest is wife possible. That means who is possible? Husband. Whose husband is tallest? We don't know so far. Who is the shortest possible? Husband possible? No. Who is the shortest? Wife. So among the wife, who is shortest? So far we don't understood and not understood. Understand this? Further read. A is the, that means A is male or female? Male. So write any one of the male is A. Are you understand this? Understand here? Next. So stop up to here. C is right anywhere because I don't know how to connect here. C is taller than. So far we don't know gender of C. We don't know gender of B. I understand this. C is taller than B. Further read. Who? D is brother. So D must be whom? Male or female? E is. Understand this. So you know already A is male and another male is D. Total two male are there finished. So remaining everybody must be female. So who are female? B is a female, C is a female. You understand this? These two are whom sibling? That means D cannot marry whom? B. So another male is D. Are you understand? So D cannot marry B female. Then D has to marry other female. It's other female than B. C. So B must be here. Are you understood or not? Are you understand this? Understand this, boss? Who is the tallest? A. Who is the shortest? Male or female? Female. Who are the female? B and C. Among B and C, who is taller, who is shorter? You see that? C is taller and that means B is the shortest person. Among the four people, A is the tallest person. Among the four people, B is the shortest person. Understood or not understand? Further, Anji, what is asked? Not correct is asked. Option A. All four people having family relation. Correct or wrong? Why you are saying correct? Because D and B are whom? Sibling. First option A is correct. That is not our answer. What is option B? Who is the shortest, male or female? Among the female, who is the shortest? B. That is correct. That is not our answer. Next option. C is taller than D. Yeah? No. C is taller. C is shorter than D. But it is saying C is taller. That is wrong. That is our answer. What is option D? A is B. That is correct. Is not our answer. Now you got it. All are understood. Somebody may think, sir, how we have to spend this much time in one question? You will ask like that. We need how many questions I told you? First we need 40 plus questions. Correct? Understand? So 2 hour 40 question take it. So that means 1 hour how many questions? 20 questions. 1 hour means how much minute? 60 minutes 20 questions. Per question how much minute? 3 minutes. It is more than sufficient. In some topics, some questions, by seeing this, you can take the answer. You will save some time. Some topic is some question, you have to read again and again, then only you can understand. So you can say, you can adjust the time there. So don't generalize the time limit for every question. Depends upon the topics. Depends upon how you revise it. Are you understand? Depends upon the subtopics in that. The time will vary for the question. Are you understand? Don't generalize every question same time like that. Are you understood or not understood this? But right. Any doubt? Now you clear? But after reaching home, whatever question you asked with doubt, you solve again. Is it okay? Why? Okay. You're not satisfied. No. Still, why I am right and not right like this? Play the video. Satisfied? Okay, then done. Are you understand this? Bah, understand this? Right. Next question number 15. Anybody doubt? Why 15 doubt? What is your doubt? I understand. 15 is a very good question. Are you ready? Ready? Everything is how you read. Understand this? Once passage comes, it will expose to yourself so far how you read GS and your newspaper. Understand this, boss? It will change the way you read. Be a good listener. Sometimes you are not having doubt. Other person having doubt. But the way I will explain, but the way you got answer, maybe by different thinking you got the answer, but real explanation may be different. This will happen in passages. You see any YouTube channel or something, those who are qualified students, they will say I'm weak in maths, but passage I can manage. But how they will manage it? By luckily they got the answer. Majority of the people, not everybody. Luckily they got the correct answer. Otherwise, if you ask them question, then they will not able to answer the question. They are wrongly assuming without any preparation, they will directly answer the questions. But you ask them, what is the difference between inference and conclusion? Then they will not able to say. What is the inference? I apologize. Inference with assumption, they will not able to say. Are you understand? They will just casually do that, then they will do this. Don't do like that. Why this question having problem? Because the way you read. Are you ready? You see how slowly I'm asking you to read. 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 Question number? Read. Man had a wife. Is it there? Yes. Further read. Because how many members are there in the family is very important. Then read. 2 son and 2 daughter. Whose son and whose daughter? Because they are discussing about a man. So man's wife, man's son, man's daughter. So far, how many people? Is it 2 son, 2 daughter? Right. Further read.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, still it is not mentioned that it is his wife, his sons, and
Madam J, man had a wife means how he having others wife. You tell me how that a dirty person you are. Yes, Supreme Court already lot of pressure is their case. Yes, yeah. Double meaning
Sir,
people are
but
asking the question.
he can have another man's wife
That
in
then
his
question
family.
specifically saying man had a wife. You see the language verb there had. Man had a wife. If it is others wife, statement specifically mentioned then. Understood this, boss? Yes, you are creating an unnecessary problem in the family. Yes, sir. Just joke only, don't take it seriously. Yes, sir. Read further. Very, very, very important. You see, daughters. Daughters means how many daughters? Daughters were invited, underline. Trump invited me for a Kingfisher party. Now you invited. Now tell me whether I attended or not attended the party. We don't know. You understand the language? Invited party. That means daughter went to the party or not. We don't know. Listen carefully. In a ration card, Swami Sir, Parinidhi Chopra, Queen Elizabeth, Mamta Banerjee. In ration card, my ration card. That means they are in the house. They are the members of the house. But who is there at present in the house, that we don't know. So we have to assume these people are in the, these are the members of the house. Who are the members of the house? Man, wife. This is called household. In economy, the word you will say household. Right. Okay. Man, wife, two sons and two daughters. But other than this, anybody is there or not? We don't know. Are you understand? Not understand this part? Are you understand? Daughters were invited, underline. That means daughter went out of the house to attend the party or not. We don't know definitely. Further read the statement. If is okay, right? Invited. Further read. Stop. Male member means so far who are the male member? Man and two sons. But other male are also there is there. That we don't know so far. So far who are the male member? That is a man and two sons. Further read. Man and two sons. Male members are. That means so far the male members not in the house. They went to attend some. Understood, not understand. Are you understand this? Understood up to here? Further read. Now this man's father not written. That means one more member is the man's father. That means they are not. He is not written from the. Here that man's father is in house. Definitely you don't know. Not written so far. Is men in house? This man is in house. No, went out for party. This son are in house. I wrongly take cancer to whom? Yes. Son went out party. Understand this, boss? Are you understand up to here? Further read. That's it. Now tell me. You know information regarding daughter. Daughter went out of the house or not? We don't know. Uncertainty. Now any information related to wife, whether she is in house or she went out of the house. So regarding wife in the house or not, that is uncertainty. You understood it? We don't know the information. Regarding wife, we don't know information. May or may not be. Regarding daughters, may or may not be. What is asked in the question? True. What is option A? How can you say definitely man's wife only inside, the other daughter's not inside? How do you know definitely? Understand? But if the question says like this, option only man's wife may be in the house, then it is correct. Understand? Because of the word uncertainty may be. Are you understand this? Now then read it. Don't read now B. Read C. Read option C. How do you know definitely? What about then wife and daughter? How can you say certainty? That is wrong. What is option D? How do you know definitely? Are you understand? You may think wife is there and daughter also there. How do you know definitely? May or may not be. Now come to B. Likely means uncertainty, probable. It is a likely man's wife is in the house. Because of the word likely, that is correct. Understood and not understood. Understand? Regarding wife and daughter may or may not. That means uncertainty. Are you understood? Do not understand this bar. But definitely man's father not in home, man not in home, son not in home. Regarding wife, no information. Wife may or may not be in the house. Daughter may or may not be in the house. Understood? Do not understand this bar. If any conclusion related to wife or daughter, then that must be probable conclusion, not a definite conclusion. Understood? Not understand this. All are understood. Now you understand. Understand this? Understand? 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 Online people, all are understood what I am saying. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Question number 17. Anybody doubt? Question number 17. Question number 17. Sorry, 16. Anybody doubt? I think 16, 17, all are same question, I think. Yes, 16 says, anybody doubt? One question. Out, any person. You are unable to draw the diagram. Right. Read. A, B, C, D, E. Then 6 members are there. Okay. Oh, who are those people? Okay, engineer. Doctor. Drafts. Judge. Okay. What is called not in order? That word is very important. Why I am saying in one topic called puzzle topic, there they mention they are in that order. That means student not punching the word carefully, they are trying to arrange them, who is doctor, who is lawyer. But the question already saying what? They are in that order. That means what is called in that order? Who is first person? Who is first person? Engineer. It's like that. But the question says that means may or may not be same thing possible or not possible. We have to arrange it. Are you understood or not understood? Are you understand this? Further read. Okay. A the engineer. A the engineer. Anji. So A finished, engineer finished. If you are not cancelled, then you don't know who is left out. So A is engineer, married to lady means this is here, and A must be male. Lady stenographer. Are you understood up to here? That means who are couples? Engineer and steno are couples. What couple? We don't know who is another partner. We know definitely engineer and stenographer are one couple. Other read. So how judge and lawyer are related to this? We don't know. So I draw separately. Are you understand this? So write anyway. Judge is married to. Are you missed any statement before? A is an engineer. Right away. So next couple. 1 minute. So already the couple, engineer and stenographer. Who is another couple? So total how many member over? So 4 couple so far over. Remaining 2 people are there. Are you they are married or not married? We don't know. What is the gender? We don't know. Judge is married to lawyer. Further read. F the draughtsman. You see how I am writing? F the draughtsman. Further read. He is the son of grandson. Son of B and who is the brother of E? Or not, this is the problem. So if and is given, that belongs to previous statement, what? Subject. Remember, if who or whom is given, that belongs to previous statement, object. So first you cancel connector and write the person name. Otherwise you mistakenly do like that. So now tell me, F is a draughtsman and F son of B, then and means the previous statement subject, that is F. F is the brother of E. So F and E are sibling. Now tell me, F and E are married or not married? We don't know. B is married or not married? Married. Why? B having the kid. So B must be one of the partner here. Are you understood or not understood? Because they are married. B is married. So B may be here, or B may be here, or B may be here. Are you understood or not understand this? Understand first? Further read. Stop. C is the lawyer. Are you understand this? And then 1 minute. See the liar finished. Draughtsman finished. Stenographer finished. Mining. Judge also finished. Then who is left out? Doctor. Okay. Now tell me, C is a lawyer. C is a lawyer, daughter-in-law. Understand this? That what is gender of C? Female. That means judge must be the daughter-in-law of whom? Person D. That means C is the daughter-in-law of D. So C is I am daughter-in-law of D. That means I married whom? D's son. Understand this, bar? So C is the daughter-in-law of whom? So are you understood? Not. You understand this, boss? Are you understand this? So judge and lawyer are one couple. Another couple must be these people. Other than the judge and lawyer, who are the another couple? They must be engineer and stenographer. Are you understand this, boss? Understand this, what I am saying? And you know already A is engineer. You know stenographer. What is who is the stenographer? Not given. That becomes noun. Are you understand this? Now you see here. So judge and lawyer. Judge is male and lawyer is female. This is. Are you understood what I am saying? Understand this? Understand this? Now come to here. B is a married person. So B must be in the married couple, one of the partner. There's no space for B. So here no space. So B must be here. They having two kids. One is F, that is a draughtsman, and another is E. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is left out? What is of E? Don't know. Further read. E is unmarried. What is the gender? We don't know. Further read. You see that D is the grandmother of E. Understand this? Then you see that. Understood or not understand this? Allah understand this, sir. Because connecting is required some time. Don't worry, because now only you started solving the questions. Now UPSC question, next topic wise question. You will learn next mini test, next in section wise test, blood relation will come. Next topic wise, full test, blood relation will come. You will yourself will change. Are you understand this, bar? So after some test, then you will take a question from other parts of who are conducted. I will give them as a question also. Then you will see how others are asking. Are you understand? Then you have asked the doubt also. Are you understand this? Ba silent. Right. Okay. Now you know how to solve the questions. Yes, please. Doubt? Question number same question 16, 17, 18. Same question, huh? Same question, huh? Right. Okay. 19. Anybody doubt? Huh? 19. Anybody doubt? Somebody now only reading. Out danger person. 20. We solved in the class. 20, 21, 22 we solved in the class. Understand the complex based questions. Are you remember that? Allah remember this. You can check that question. That's all. Now tell me, what do you learn from this? Or do you learn from your mistake? Learn from the mistake. You know what is the reason for the mistake. Sometimes you may feel, I'm not read properly because of this mistake. Or I read, but I mistakenly understand this language. Are you understand this verses? So note down where you are, which question you are doing wrong. Highlight that questions. Whenever you are going to revise or practice, you practice that question. Are you understand this, boss? Understand this? Now all are ready for test for blood relation? Sunday? Sharp 9:30. Come 5 or 10 minutes earlier. Allow the breath to settle. Don't interact with the others. Then don't think how fast other people are performing. We don't need certificate. Don't made me to sit in the test. I understand this, boss. So because my study time is night at 10 p.m. to morning 4 a.m. So in some other day, whenever I will sleep like that. Understand this, boss. So don't force me to sit in the test hall. I'm assuming you people are matured age. So you yourself will see, don't see that others class notes. Don't discuss. Very, very important in the test hall. Don't discuss with others. Don't feel other people. Don't ask, you are in now which question? Oh, 23rd. Oh, I mean 10th question I have to do. Don't interact. Understand? Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yourself only. Don't focus on others. You understand this? Bar 11:25. Stop writing. You yourself go and say hand over that. I will inform them. Don't go and ask them. Understand? If it is after 11:30 you are submitting or 11:30, they will not accept you. Are you understood this? Wow. Are you understand? Because many people, why I'm asking like that is so far in previous batch, I'm not pressurized them to see the timing. Because other some students say, sir, I don't know, time passed. Understand? Sir, I am only 20 questions, time is 1 hour over, they will say like that. Are you understand? You have to keep on monitoring the time also in test, not in the class. Understand? Not understand this? But understand this. And don't give the reason, sir, I am not able to attend the test. I don't need your reason. I will not listen your reason. If you are not attend the test, that is up to you. If you are not attending the discussion, that is up to you. You have to collect the question. Don't disturb me in asking any doubt from that question. Test will be very strict. Understand? After writing the test, then you will go to home. You will attempt the remaining questions. You will immediately get the explanation. Understand? Don't see the explanation. So you in the night after finishing attempting, see the explanation. So these are the explanation like that. Sir, I think one more day needed. That means Monday don't discuss. Discuss on Tuesday. You tell me. I will discuss. Understand this, boss. But we have to discuss before the next topic test. But every question you have to attempt it, you have to match with that. Oh, like this. Oh, this question now I understand, sir. Some people, after seeing the explanation, they will understand. Some people, after that also not. That you have to ask us it out. Otherwise, we have to solve every 80 question. Are you understood my language, boss? Understand this? Online people, all are ready for the test. We will see. What is time now? Ready? Ready? Right. So, any doubt in UPSC? Yeah. So, always keep the file properly. Some will say, sir, I don't know where is the file. Sir, I don't know this. Properly. So, blood out I given everything in the single. Don't stack that pin, something pin is there, and then put it put it inside. Every day and that was every topic like this 3 handout you will get. One is what a UPSC question test, another is what as a class assignment, another is what test question, topic wise test question. In between, I will give you mini test. Everything has to be properly filed. Understand this, but organizing the notes is very, very important. Understand this, boss. Okay. So ready, everybody? Ready? Quick summary. Tell me, better list not happen. Don't decide the gender based upon the name in any topic in CSAT. Everybody will say, but in some topic they will say Raman means male. Understand? Further. Next. Couples means married and they must be. Are you understand this? Next. Husband must be elder than the wife. Next. Was wife side or husband side not mentioned? Husband side. Next. Paternal side or maternal side not mentioned. What you have to assume? Paternal means father side or mother side. Mother side means maternal. Further read. Further tell me. After that, if somebody having kid, after parents, you have to make the kid. How danger person? Why you are going to sibling? Understand this, but so anybody having kid means that kid must be biological kid of that person, and the person must be married. So then you need information related to that person's partner. What information you will search? Died, divorced, all are understood this part. Further, brother, sister, sibling. Then what you will assume? Own brother, own sister, own sibling. Next, neutral gender. What are neutral genders? Spouse, sibling, cousin. All are remember this? Whom you can consider as a same generation people. Partner or sibling. Whose partner, whose sibling? Own side, in-law side, cousin side. Are you understood or not understand? What is first type of question? Family tree. How many type? What are those 2 type? What is simple? Only relation. What is complex? Relation plus some other value. But name is must be there. Okay, what's next question? Coded relation. How many type? What are those 3 type? Forward, reverse, forward and reverse. Next type. Indirect relation. Next type of question. Next type of question. Understood or not understood? thoroughly get. First, any day I will ask you like that. Even after 10 Kingfisher also, you whatever hangover, if I wake you and ask you like that, you have to tell the sequence of it. Understand this? Give me 1 or 2 months, I will never allow you to forget anything. Understand this, boss. Understand it? Because your subconscious mind will remember. You will not remember. Your subconscious mind will remember. Are we daily we are able to know learning how to brush it, how to eat? Why? Our subconscious mind remember. Sometimes you are using computer. In the initial days, you will see A here, B here like that. Then later on, screen like this will type. Why? Because your finger subconsciously knows where is that letter. By practice. Are you understand this? In the initial days, it is painful, sir. Why daily revising like that? The reason is that. Understood? Ready? Come to calendar. Tell me, what we done in calendar? Array, what we done in calendar? First, you have to check what odd year or leap year. How to check it? Century year or not a century year? What is century year? 2 digits are 0. What is not a century year? Right. If it is not a century year, then what you have to use? 4 or 400 or 4. If the given year is exactly divided by 4, what is that? Leap year, not divided by 4. If it is a century year, you have to use what? 400. So if it is divided by 400, not divided by 400, the rule of 4 given by whom? Rule of 400 given by whom? When we shifted from Julian to Gregorian, 16th century. Now we are using which calendar? Are we using Julian or not? Yes, sir. Understand this, sir. So before that, what is the definition of leap year? Every 4th year must be a. What is now definition? We are expecting every 4th year is leap year, not always. So what is the minimum number of years without a leap year? 3. What is the maximum number of years without a leap year? 7. Allah remember this bar. Allah remember? Allah remember? Now tell me next. Odd days. Odd means different or extra. Than what? Than complete weeks. Or number of days more than 7. Or number of days more than multiple of 7 are called odd days. Understand? Otherwise, if it is in days, how can you derive the odd days? Divided by 7 remainder is your odd days. Understand this? Allah remember that? So odd days is from where to where only. It never be more than. If it is more than 6, what you will do? Convert into 0 to 6. If it is less than 0, what you will do? Convert into 0 to 6. Less than 0 means what? Negative. If it is in negative, you have to convert into positive. Are you understand this bar? Are you understand this bar? Minus 1 odd day is synonyms to plus 6 odd day. Minus 3 odd day is synonyms to. But that sum of that magnitude sum has to be 7. Why? Because in a week 7 days are there. All you understand this bar? For example, in a week 10 days are there. At the time odd days is from where to where? 0 to 9. For example, at that time minus 4 odd day is synonyms to plus 6. Are you understand? Sum at the time magnitude must be sum is what? 10. Because in a week 10 days are there. 1 odd day means what is a day? Monday. 2 odd day means 3 odd day means 4 odd day means 5 odd day means 6 odd day means 7 odd day means Sunday. Are you under 7 or 0? Are you remember? If it is in days, how to derive the odd days? Divided by 7, write the remainder. Then if it is in weeks, how can you derive the odd days? Convert into days and convert into odd day. But weeks means always how many odd days? How many odd days? I am not asking how many days. Week means how many days? Always multiple of 7. Week means how many odd days? Always 0 odd day. Okay, silent. If it is in month, how can you derive the odd days? Convert month into days, then convert into odd days. Understand? May, how many odd days? 3. Understand? November, 2. September, 2. July, August, 3. February. Ordinary year means 0. Leap year means all you remember. For example, 2 months are given. Understand this? Now I need to derive the difference in odd days. How can you derive? First include starting, exclude ending. Stop up to previous month and add this, that many odd days difference. All remember that? So for any ordinary year, how many odd days? 1 odd day. Why? Yes. 365 days. That means 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. Any leap year, how many odd days? Why? 366 days are there, 52 complete weeks, remaining is 2 odd day. Understand? Compared to ordinary year, leap year creating how many extra odd day? All are remember. Leap year means how many odd day? 2 odd day. Ordinary year means how many odd day? 1 odd day. If you take any 2 year, both has to be ordinary or both has to be leap. Understand this? Then I am going to derive the difference in odd days. Understand? In first work is include starting, exclude ending. Then derive the difference and write that many odd days. Difference in odd plus number of leap year. How can you derive number of leap year? Either manually or by formula method, progression method. What is the progression method? Last leap year minus first leap year divided by. Why 4? I born on 4. No, every 4th year is leap year. Because difference D is 4. I understand. So divided by 4. Plus 1 or not. When you say plus 1, not cross via century year or cross century leap year. When you don't add plus 1, century ordinary year crossing, don't add plus 1. Understood or not understand? All are thoroughly understand? All are understand? Why we have to derive the odd days? Simplify the calculation. That means in our calendar topic, deriving difference in odd days is our utmost duty. Understand? Why? To simplify the calculation. You know, if it is you want to derive the odd days, you need a number of days. Either it may be in terms of days is given, or week is given, or month is given, or year is given. In this format only they will give. Understood? Understand? Understand everybody? Boss understood? Understand this? Right. Then I told you, while deriving difference, include starting and exclude ending. How can you derive between difference means which are allowed, which are part of it? Indifference. Starting, ending like that. Starting is included, ending must be excluded. In between, which are allowed, which are not allowed? Between. Starting allowed? No. Ending allowed? No. Starting and ending not allowed. How can you derive between? Directly. Difference minus 1. From to 2, which are allowed? Starting also allowed, ending also allowed. So how can you derive from to 2? Difference plus 1. Are you remember that? If the question use the word after or before, use that number for add or subtract. Use that number of days for add or subtract. Convert into odd days. Understand this word. So if the statement use the word on, in, from, then you cannot use that number of days. What you have, I am talking about if it is in days is given. If it is year is given, convert into days or odd days. Month convert like that. Are you understand this word? So if it is on, in, from is given, don't use that number of days or odd days. Minus 1, then the remaining you can use that add or subtract. Are you understood? All are understand? Then what I taught? Second century means from where to where? Second century. Anji? Second century means where it will end? 200. So what is starting point for second century? 101. 18th century means where it will end? 1800. What is starting point? 1701. 2000. What century? I'm asking, listen my language. 14th century. From where to where? Where it will end? 1400. 14th century means 18 ended at 1400. Where is starting point? 1301. 1301 up to 1400 is called 14th century. Now I am asking 18th century. Understand this? From where to where? 701 to 1800. Now I am asking 2000. Which is century? 20th century. 2000 is ending at 2000. It belongs to 20th century. Are you understand? 2300. Which century? 20? You see how I am crying inside. You know, how teaching like a school children, how dirty people you are. If I am asking reverse direction, you are not able to answer. Listen carefully. 17th century means it ended at 1700. Point is 1601. Now I am asking 1700 means which is century? You are saying 16th century. 1700 means it is a 17th century. Are you understand this word? Now tell me, 21st century. Where it ended? Where started? Huh? What? Are you understand this? 21st century means where it ending? 2100. Or now 2100 means what century? 1700 means what century? 2000 what century? Let's see. 2100 means 21st century. So this is 17th century. 2000 means which century? 20th century. 2400 means which century? Are you understood or not? Alar understand? Boss understood? Getting this? Okay. Come to generalization in ordinary year. Are you understand this? What is for any ordinary year? How many days are there? Any ordinary year, how many days are there? 365 days. 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. First generalization in ordinary year. For any ordinary year, first day of the year and the last day of the year must be same day. Understand this? Why? I given the reason. Second, for any ordinary year, first day of the year and the last day of the year repeated for 53 times, remaining other day repeated for 52 times. Understand this? Allah understand this, but Allah remember that? Remember? Then what is the third generalization? Which of the entire 2 months having same calendar? Two condition. What are those two conditions? Difference in odd days of those 2 months must be 0. Then number of days of those 2 months must be, if you satisfy these two conditions, entire 2 months having same calendar. You are satisfying first condition, second condition not satisfied, up to some day same calendar. You are not satisfying first condition itself, second condition not satisfied or not satisfied, I don't care, none of the days going to be same day. Allah remember that? For any ordinary year, only January and October must be. So quickly I will write that because I need to say something. Third, then correctly. Somebody asking doubt, is sir, if date also there, month also there, don't go ahead of me. Type 2, reference day is given. Yep. Ready? Avoid attending or try to come in offline. If you are outside of Delhi, no issue. Otherwise, if you are in Delhi, not coming to class, next year again you have to pay the money. Ready? Now listen carefully. I am comparing April month. Tell me where I have to stop. Where I have to stop? March. I am starting from, I am comparing April month with some other month. Where I have to stop? Wherever you like to stop? No. Wherever you are getting 0 odd days, you have to stop. Tell me where I have to stop? June. Understand this. If I am stopping up to June, which 2 months you are comparing? April with July. Tell me which condition satisfied? First condition 0 odd days satisfied. Second condition satisfied. No. Why? April how many days? July how many days? Number of days not equal. Second condition not satisfied. That means entire April and entire July not having that. But up to what day same calendar? 30 days. Allah remember that? I am comparing September month with some other month. Tell me where I have to stop? November. If I am stop, why you stop up to November? 0 odd days. When you will get 0 odd days? If 7 are multiple of 7, then you will get 0 odd days. Are you understand? Don't expect always 7. If I am stopping up to November, which 2 months I am going to compare? September with tell me which condition satisfied? First satisfied, second satisfied or not? That means up to what date same calendar? Which 2 months 30 days same calendar? September and December. Are you understood? Understand? Now I'm going to compare March month with some other month. Tell me where I have to stop? this time I will go to Russia. Where I have to stop at? October. Why I am stopping up to October? 0 what? If I am stopping up to October, which 2 months I am going to compare? March with November. Tell me which condition satisfied? First is satisfied, second is satisfied or not? That means the entire 2 months having same calendar. No. Then up to how many days same calendar? 30 days. Are you understood or not understand this? But which 2 months having 30 days same calendar now? March with what? That only I am saying. March with November. So you are saying 30 days same calendar. Which 2 months 30 days same calendar? March with November now. Are you understand this, boss? So I am comparing January with some other month. Tell me where I have to stop. Up to? Why I am stopping up to October? And the 0 odd day. Okay, if I am stopping up to October, which 2 months? I have to stop up to October, I have to stop up to September. How danger people? Somebody in hangover. I need to find which brand they change. If I am stopping up to September, which 2 months I am going to compare? January with what are you understood? January with October. Which condition satisfied? First satisfied, second satisfied or not? Yes, sir. That means for any ordinary year, only January and October must be. If you take remaining any 2 months, you are unable to satisfy both the condition. Allah, remember this? Remember this? Yesterday I said then I am comparing February and I am comparing. I am starting from February. That means where I have to stop? February itself I can stop. There is 0 odd day. I am comparing February. That's why I am not saying the word February and March. But I am saying I am starting from February. Where I can stop? Entire February 0 odd day. I can stop up to February. If I am stopping up to February, which 2 months I am comparing? February with March. Tell me which condition satisfied? First satisfied, second satisfied or not? Then entire 2 months having same calendar. Up to what day same calendar? 28 days. Which 2 months 28 days same calendar? February and March. Are you understand this? Are you understand? Now I am going to compare February month. But I am not stopping up to February. Further continue. Where I can stop next? Then where you will get next 0 odd days? Don't stop up to that. Tell me. Up to October. If I am stopping up to October, which 2 months I am comparing? February with November. Tell me which condition satisfied? First satisfied, second satisfied or not? No. That means how many days same calendar? 28. Understood or not? Understand this? Next I am going to compare March month. Tell me where I have to stop. Sorry, May month. May, where I will stop. You know, wherever I will get 0 what I have to stop. Where I have to stop. My way, I am not asking what month you will compare. I am asking where we stop. No, up to what you people are doing. So 3 plus 2, 5. Not getting 0, I cannot stop here. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 means 1 odd day, I cannot stop here. 8 plus 3, 11. No. 11 plus 2, 13. No. 0 odd days. 13 plus 3, 16. No. 18. No. 21. Yes, sir. How dirty people you are. Understand this? So I have to stop up to which month? If I am stopping, so you people are confusing where I have to stop and which 2 months you are comparing. Are you understand the language? So if I am stopping up to December, which 2 months I am comparing? This year May with next year January. Tell me which condition satisfied? First condition satisfied. So second condition satisfied or not? Yes. So this year May and next year January must be same calendar. Understood and not understood. Are you understand? All are understand. So can I compare July and August? If you are comparing July and August, what is the difference in odd days?